Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video on these super cute LA Colors press-on, so let's get into it. Okay, so I got these super cute LA Colors press-ons from Burlington and they were only $5.99. I got these about a year ago, y'all, and I have never applied them. And I was like, why haven't I put these nails on yet? These are too cute to just be sitting in my nail drawer. So that's what we about to do today. I have so many nails that are just sitting and I'm like, why haven't I applied these? These are too cute. I mean, look at the color. The ombre pink and purple with a little bit of nude towards the cuticle is just gorgeous. So let's talk about the make of these nails. They are very well made, very stiff at the tip, very flexible at the cuticle. They have a nice curve to them. They are not flat at all and they are not thin. LA Colors has some of the best quality nails. They are never thin. And if you apply them correctly, they will definitely last long without chipping, bending, or breaking anything. I love LA Colors nails. So right now what I'm doing is just picking my press-on nails and sizing them to fit my natural nails, making sure my natural nail is fully covered from side wall to side wall. You don't want to have any spaces or gaps in between because your nails will pop off easily and they will not last long. So just make sure you're picking the right size press-on nail to completely fit your natural nail and not be overlapping onto your skin either, because then that means the nail is too big. So just make sure when you're sizing your nails, you pick the correct nail that fits completely over your nail bed and not overlapping. LA Colors nails do come with 24 nails in the pack with multiple different sizes, and I feel like they just get the sizing right every time. It also comes with nail glue and a nail file, so it comes with everything that you need. So first, what I'm going to do is prep my natural nails using the nail file that came with the nails, and I'm just gently filing the natural shine from the top of my natural nails. You always want to start with a rougher surface versus the shiny surface so that the glue will adhere to your natural nails better. This step is very critical and crucial when applying press-on nails because if you want them to last long, doing them on a shiny, smooth surface will not help them to last longer. So we just got to roughen up that surface a little bit. And you can wash your hands after that, but I just sprayed some regular rubbing alcohol that I have in a spray bottle on my nails to further dehydrate them. And now we are going to get into this glue. But tell me why I used my nail clipper to clip the little piece off to open the glue so that it could come out, and it was no hole there. And I was like, okay, maybe I need to clip it down a little bit more. So I clipped another piece off. And then I looked at it again and I'm like, there is no hole. What is up with the tip of this glue? So I was like, oh my gosh. So I clipped another piece down. And I was like, okay, maybe they put a faulty one in my pack, because normally it's not like that, but there was no hole for the glue to come out. So finally I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and use my LA Colors Rapid Dry Nail Glue, which is one of my favorite nail glues anyway, and it's still by LA Colors. So I just applied a nice bubble of glue all over my natural nail, making sure I put just enough but not too much. And then I'm going to line that press-on nail up with my cuticle area, press down, and then we're going to hold that nail in place. You see how the glue just spreads after you press the press-on nail on? That is what you want every time. That's how you know your nails are going to come out perfect and they're going to last long, and you put enough glue on there. If you do not get that spread after you apply your glue, you probably didn't apply enough. So you want to press and hold for 30 seconds. Make sure you're pressing the middle of the nail and then also using your other fingers to help you press down the side walls on the nails as well. Because you want to be completely pressed on, not just on the middle, because then your side walls and your cuticle areas will lift and your nails will not last long. So I switched over to my other hand and I'm applying the nails on my right hand first because I am right-handed and it's a lot easier for me to use my left hand to apply nails onto my dominant hand before I put nails on my left hand. So I always do my right hand first. So I finished my right hand and now I'm just applying the nails to my left hand. But y'all see how that glue is just spreading across after I press and hold. It's such a satisfying thing to watch. But yeah, just make sure you're pressing and holding for 30 seconds and boom, all the nails are on. And now we're going to use the nail file that came with the nails to file the tips of the nails. As with most press-on nails, they always have that little extra piece on the tips. So I'm filing off that little piece and then I'm just straightening out the tips to make sure they're nice and straight and crispy. I love a nice crisp shape. So I'm just shaping them up, making sure they're nice and straight and even, and boom. Now it's time to add a little razzle dazzle. I know y'all saw that bling in the background on that nail palette. Y'all know it was coming. The thing about these nails is I could have just left them alone and they would have been perfectly fine without the bling, but the extraness inside of me just had to have a little something something. And let me just say, the tweezer was not tweezering in this video. Like, I thought I had the tweezer down packed, but it didn't open wide enough for me to pick up a large stone like I was trying to apply. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to just pick it up with my fingertip and press it onto where I applied that glue. And I was just making it do what it do like that. So for future reference, I definitely need to get a tweezer that is large bling friendly. But look how cute that looks. And I got this bling from Hobby Lobby. They came in a pack of like large stones and stones of different shapes and sizes for $3.99. The same stones that I used in my previous video where I applied extra stones onto that leopard cheetah print set that I got from Shein. So I'm just using these flower shaped rhinestones for this set. I feel like the flower shaped rhinestones were perfect for this set because they have the same colors in the rhinestones as the nails do, especially when the light hits these nails and the rhinestones shine. It's just really pretty. So as you can see, I also applied some small rhinestones around those larger ones. And now I'm just going in with my Model 1's top coat. I'm applying an extra amount of the top coat around the rhinestones just to give them some extra security. And I'm also applying a layer of top coat onto my other fingers as well to give them some extra security and thickness and shine, because we want these nails to be nice and shiny and glossy as if it were an actual full set that we got done at the nail shop. The top coat is what really makes the nails just give nail shop instead of press on, which is what we are always aiming for. So now that I got all the gel top coat on the nails, I set my Melody Susie nail lamp to 60 seconds and we're going to cure that top coat for 60 seconds. So after they got done curing, I did apply some cuticle oil around all of my cuticles because we have to have moisturized cuticles to go with our freshly done nails. And I did add some bling to my middle finger to even out the set because we couldn't just leave our thumb all alone with just that being the only finger with some bling on it. So I did add some bling to my middle finger and it evened out the set just right. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I loved doing it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure you like, drop me a comment, and let me know how you love these nails, and subscribe. If you are viewing this video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? You are going to love it here. I have so much more content coming, especially for December. I'm doing Vlogmas, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when the videos are dropping, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.